can't help but be reminded of Dr. Jekyll.
Scrap to DIY.
And by comparison, nearly half of the U.S. delegation visiting China back in 2017 came from the energy and chemical sectors. How do you interpret this shift in